Hey, May! My gosh, I want to tell you what an incredible job your nephew did this weekend at the Stark internship retreat.
It's not a hug, I'm just grabbing the door for you. We're not there yet. Let's have it.
You don't understand. This is all I have. I'm nothing without this suit.
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it, okay? And if you died, I feel like that's on me. I lost the kid.
He was like, it's been 5 years. Come on, they need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkles.